Lapping
walk.
engaging.
Yeah. Walk. Stop them. Hold them. Bro, hold them. Evan, hold them. Hold them, please.
Ready,
Like, southwest na kami. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest na kami. Laughing, kill laughing. Kill that. Come east. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast. Come southwest now. Come southwest. Where's laughing now? Come north. Come north. First love is west. Yeah, come south. Come south. Sino yung nasa west natin? Okay. City. Alay. Tag nyo, alay.
First love north is
Okay. Come south. Don't get it. Come south, guys. Come south. Come southeast. Where's first love?
North.
Where's laughing?
Terry.
Come southwest.
I look for
Come southwest.
Laughing is in the west side
Yeah,
bridge.
Come south. Mount up.
Laughing here. Pinging laughing.
Mount up.
They're engaging SPCL.
Yeah, mount up. Come southeast.
Here. Live ping laughing.
SPC alay, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh,
CTC Alliance ally.
Live ping laughing.
Yeah. Okay. What's their DA? What's laughing DA?
7.
Okay, it's fine.
8 now.
He's fine. Come.
Backline ng laughing.
This is our backline.
Come. Hold them.
One screen away.
Yeah, hold them. Try to just walk and hold them. Walk and hold them.
Backline.
Yeah, walk and hold them. Yeah, walk and hold them. Northeast now, bro. Yeah. Northeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything me. Damage on me. Come southwest.
Nasakang ba ano yung...
Guys, chase, keep that laughing. Guys, may mga laughing sa loob nyo. Kill the laughing on top view. Kill this guy. Hold that guy.
Southeast Laughing Boulevard, one screen.
Okay. Yeah. Come southeast.
They just got engaged by CTC.
Oh, yeah. Come southeast. Ready. Southeast, deep. Come. Southeast, choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything choke.
First lap pushing north.
Yes. Come south. Yeah. Just hold here. We're gonna face laughing.
Laughing. Hold.
Yeah, we're facing laughing. Spread.
Laughing.
Defensive. Guys, come walk in. They're tight, bro. Try to hold them.
We need help in the back. We're getting bombed. We're getting bombed on the west side.
Come north.
Oh, what the fuck, man?
Come northeast. Laughing. Watch laughing, boys. Watch laughing sa south.
Laughing, looking.
Ready defensive, boys. Ready defensive. Ready southwest. Counter. Hold them now. Hold them now on the choke, boys. Just skip the litangs on top of me. Shallow on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything me. Nice it. Come northeast. Let's CTC play with first love. We hold laughing. Let's CTC play with first love. Okay? Defensives. Ready defensives. Spread. Nice bomb. Come southwest, guys. Ready. Hold. Yeah. Come southwest. Yeah, keep walking. Everything on the choke, guys. Can you fake? Can you hold? Can you hold this? Hold.
The MCD.
Yeah. Spread. Come back. Yeah. Spread. Come southwest. It's fine. We hold them. Come northwest. Wala ba healer party 2? No healer party 2.
They looking. They might
Okay,
look.
it's fine. That's fine. Just get your defensives ready. Party 1 is fully healthy.
Careful, stroke.
Yeah, that's fine.
Tulog ba di tanks nyo? Wala nakatingin sa likod? Ha?
GG. Come na rest.
Kasi naratos lang yung pumatay sa amin.
Where's here? Come na rest.
Positioning.
They're looking.
Yeah, that's fine. Just hold.
Engage on
Spread.
Jexy.
Okay, heal fan. Can you guys kidnap something?
I'll try to hold them.
Ready, guys? Northwest, on this guy. Yeah. Shallow me. Hold. Shallow me.
They have big
Palang
no?
They're looking.
Come. Hold this. Let them walk to us. We engage if they engage. Let them walk to us. Where are they now?
Cutting focus.
Yeah. Guys, huwag nyo na sundan. Hindi nga natin mahabol eh. Sundan nyo pa. Let them engage to. Let them engage us. Come Nardis. I'm gonna fuck them. Come Nardis. Where are
They're
they
here,
now?
they're here. Live ping.
Yeah, just watch them. Stay mounted, watch them. Come Nardis. I'm gonna fucking punish first love. Just watch them, just keep watching them. Pa-scout nung nangyayari sa laban sa kabila. Come southeast.
Some of them are mounting up.
Yeah, that's fine. They're gonna come to us. Anong nangyayari
They're moving. Live ping.
First lab in the territory.
Asan yung CTC?
They push.
Where's CTC?
First lab pushing CTC in east.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Come south. What's happening?
Boulevard looking here, Pay.
South. Come south. Everyone come south. South. Where's CTC? Asan yung CTC? Buhay pa ba sila? Mount up.
Dito sa Laboy,
CTC on the east side.
Depot 3 skins away in the west. Nothing Boulevard.
Sige lang.
East side.
Sige lang. Stay mounted.
Still pins.
Stay mounted.
What's the part? I think they are broken or something.
Yeah. CTC is broken.
Nothing Boulevard moving back. They mounted up. They're moving
Yeah. Come
south.
south.
Nothing moving south. Nothing moving south. Live ping.
Come southwest. Just chill. We can't fight. Just don't. We're not gonna die from laughing. We're not gonna die from laughing, guys. The thing is, they're just gonna kite us. We can't die from them, but they also can't kill us. Just chill here. Just chase them. Chase nyo lang sila. What's happening?
Dismounted, laughing, dismounted.
Yeah. Don't die. Come northwest.
Laughing, dismounted.
Don't waste time. Just watch them and get away if they're dismounted. If they're trying to catch you, don't get caught. Come northwest.
Live ping here.
Can someone tell me what's happening, Terry? Yeah, just don't worry about it. What's happening, Terry? Are they still fighting?
Yung wailing mo na kay Sheo at tinrate ko.
Kaya nga kanina pa 2 times na tayo na-flank. First love is chilling level 12. Come southwest. Come west.
CTC is holding southeast Terry.
CTC?
Yeah. First lab is in the Terry.
Okay. Just chill. Ano level ng first love?
Revolver dito sa ping
Sige lang.
12. Level 12.
Just hold here. Saan na sila? Are they crossing choke?
Dumping. Yeah, they're...
They might run around QT po. They're moving both.
Nagrap around sa
I'm
inyo.
watching. I'm watching it.
Nagrap sa ping.
Come Nardis.
They're new guys na. Noise. There's mounted here.
It's fine.
Naka-respawn sa outer bridge. Sa outer bridge.
Guys, malayo ako. I'm here. Come southeast.
2 screens skip 2 screens. 3 screens.
CTC is slowly inching up.
Yeah. Just chill. Where are they now? Everyone this one. Where's laughing now?
On ping, naka
Mounted.
Naka-respawn
Dismounted.
Okay, guys, just don't get caught. Guys,
2 screens skip. 1 screen.
Yeah, just chill. Just let them come to us. Spread.
They looking at you.
Yeah. Spread east. Let them come to us. Let them hit. Just spread. Just watch them. They have battle mounts.
They are northwest.
Yeah. They want us to chase them. Do you guys wanna chase fucking Clap Kite? You don't wanna. We're just gonna hold here. Okay? Come north. And tell me what's happening.
CTC and First Lab fighting.
Yung was away from me
Yeah, just watch the flank. Watch the flank.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, ready. West. Stun them. West now. Yeah. Hold.
They looking for
Guys,
engage.
give bats. West on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything west. Nice. Kill this. Spread east. Come east. Just spread east. Let them walk to us.
Pwede mo mag-bomb sa likod.
Wait lang. Wag
Yeah,
muna.
CD.
Yeah, wag muna.
Engage.
Pwede ka
Engage,
mag-bomb.
engage.
Okay, come.
Pwede
Okay, GG.
1.
Ready.
Laki ng bump ko. Sobrang laki.
Keep walking them. Keep walking. Yeah, keep walking to them. Try to hold them, bro.
They're looking at us.
Yeah. Just kick butts, bro. Walk in. Try to walk in. Hold them northwest. Just look at defensive. Oh, Northwest now. Bro, Northwest deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on shield. On the shield. On me.
Mali na pindot.
That's fine. Come northeast. Do not chase them to the choke. Mabilis ko lang yan.
Rex, you're so deep, you're Rex.
Guys, do not chase them to the choke. Let them
Loki,
come to us.
Loki.
Let them come to us. Come east. Then brawl this battle mount. What are you guys doing? Brawl this battle mount. Let them come to us. Yeah, looking na sila.
Engage
Patay
your
si
system.
Beastly. Ready, Northwest, bro. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every me. Damage on me. Then go back. Go back. Kill front. Kill front. Yeah, come southeast. Just don't give them the clumps.
They looking.
No, just don't give them clubs. Go east. Don't give them the choke. Come east more. Do not give them the fucking chokes. I'm gonna mark their color. Spread more. They're gonna engage shallow, southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Nice. Full push. Walk in. Hold them. They have engagement. Ready your gig pads, bro. They have gig pads. Guys, be careful ha. Stop nyo yung backline. Looking na to. Ready. Southwest, bro. Hold. Southwest now. Deep. Southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Nice. Kill them. Then spread. Ready your gig pads. Pump your gig pads. Full push. See? Let them come to us. Man. Kill them. Chase and kill them. Good shit, bro. Okay, everyone, regear. Those who died, regear. How many died?
One in
Mount up.
party 2.
Isa, okay. Mount up. Loot up, mount up. Trade the loots to the,
Ang dami ko. Patrade!
Guys, regroup. Iting nyo.
May one shot.
Careful, one shot.
Regear. Oh, saan yung one shot?
I need a trade!
Ako yung
I-trade mo kaya ano, Seyo.
Putang ina.
I need trade. Puta.
Ito,
Puro kayo sabi ng trade, hindi namin alam pangalan nyo, sabihin nyo
Yung
i-trade
ano,
yung
yung-
Synchrono.
Yung
Nag-ping
search
na ako.
Patay nyo to, dismountan nyo to ng one shot.
Ping.
Hindi ako makalakad kasi
Sa'yo, sa'yo.
umber
Ano
ako
pangalan? Ano
patrade.
pangalan?
Sa Jack, andito ako sa pingo.
Ay, nasa north.
Ba't kasi ang dami nag-loot? Looter ba kayo?
Ano ba pangalan nyo? Sabihin nyo kung anong pangalan. Para ano.
Meron pa. Tignan mo.
Meron pa. Ito.
Mount up.
Pabing.
Putang ina palengke. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo guys, we're trying to talk pero yung crucial info. Huwag kayo sumigaw.
Ano?
Just listen to me guys. Everyone.
We can face first love now. No?
Yeah. Everyone regroup. What's happening here? What's first love hap? What's first love doing?
Check.
Fighting Southeast Ontario pa din. Southeast Ontario.
Come southeast. Guys, do you think we can survive 2 engages? Come,
Yes,
this morning.
yes.
This morning.
They looking.
Yeah, it's fine. We're CDC.
Northeast natin.
Yeah, just hold. Come southeast, Mark.
Yung reworld, anong reworld? Kalaban?
Come southeast. Tropa yan.
Okay, copy.
Hold. Just chill. Guys, guard runes on me. Hello?
Careful over
Can
the
you guys shallow over the wall? Yeah, shallow over the wall, then ready big pads defensive side. Shallow over the wall. 3, 2, 1, shallow me, then go back. Everyone go back. Defensives. Go back. Defensives, nice defensive. May isa pang engage yan. Come south. Yeah, come south. Only dito ang sa front. That's fine. Chill. One flank please. Party daw. Pa-invite daw si Berlix. Party 2. What the fuck is going on here? Where are they now? What's first?
They're going back, they're going inside.
Okay, yeah.
Deep inside.
Just chill. Come west. Come in. No. Come southeast. Come southwest. Can you guys, look at the rats? Can you stand the rats?
They're inching
Southwest.
up.
Yeah. Can you guys stand the rats on top of me?
Pag binabab tayo ng CDC.
Yeah, Get away from them, get away from them, get away from them, get away from them.
Sige,
Sige lang, may mga tanga lang, may mga tanga lang.
Okay po, mag-engage na.
Oh, sige lang, sige lang.
Let's speak.
Kanina po yun.
Ang liit ng space natin dito, sobrang liit ng space natin dito. Kailangan nila i-bonk yung isang side. Ang pangit ng angle dito. Kapag, ano level ba to? 17? Level 11. Gago, level 11 lang pala to. Tangina nyo, tatakot tayo. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest.
Nagkakasa na nga lang, pero kanina big save.
Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Pa-invite daw si Verlix, pa-invite daw si Verlix. Watch over the walls.
Over the wall, crowd over the wall.
Care of Lolo.
Sa parting si Verdict.
Stacking ah, stacking ah. Yung ano. Here.
Come na, come na. Come na.
Bantayan ko na tong pinaglabasan na gate nila kanina.
Bukas to. Ito.
Ay, wala na pala tayong banner. Come na, come na, come na. Kill this guys, kill this guys, kill this guys. Can you guys kill this? Can you guys kill this? Kill everything. Wait. Just focus on it. Focus here, focus here. Focus on killing everything. Hello, hello? May nagsasalita ba ba? Nawala na ako ng audio.
Wala.
Wala lang
Just focus on guards. Focus on guards, and watch flank. Watch for flank. Focus guards.
Mage yan, mage yan.
Oo nga.
Meron na, may
Ubusin nyo lang guards.
save.
Sige lang, ubusin nyo lang guards. Ubusin nyo lang yung guards.
SPCR is pushing ah.
Come southwest. Are pushing, what?
Looking na sa atin.
Sige lang. Focus lang. Guys, trapping east.
Sa atin
First
na
step,
nakaharap,
first
sa atin na nakaharap, sa atin na nakaharap.
Okay lang. Sige lang. We have enough defenses. Just kill everything here. Kill everything here. Ikasol na, sama na.
Nakala.
Okay, come southwest. Bitangs, hold them. Come southwest.
Sa
Hold
pig,
lang, hold lang kayo.
relegate kami.
Ready east, boys. Walk east. Ready. Northeast deep, bro. Northeast deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Damage, boys. Damage. Go back.
Ang dami ko na.
Go back. Nice kill. Focus this. Focus this. Bro, ito yung kailangan nyo patayin. Ito yung kailangan nyo patayin.
Yung
I mark.
may mark.
I mark. Focus on that. Oh, cleric. May cleric. Kill the guards. Kill the guard now. Sa southwest. Kill the guard para hindi ma-pressure yung healers natin. Kill this. And someone buy me a fucking banner. Kill Haruka. Kill. Nice kill. Okay. Kill all the remaining blues. Yeah. That's fine.
They might go outside the gate.
It's fine. We can hold. They're looking at us. Be ready for defensives. Boys. Defensives. Nice. Ready. On the gate, boys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything. Nice. See?
Another engage coming in.
Defensives. Go back. Keep pads, get heals. Just hold this. 10 seconds we have engaged. Ready, boys. Hold them now on the gate. 5 seconds. Ready. On the gate, boys. Just cool down. Ready. On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Sige lang. Come southwest. Oh, defense. No, that's fake. Give. Guys, defense. Yeah, that's fine. Defense. Heal. Boys, heal. Putang.
They coming out the gate.
Come southwest. Sige lang. Hold nyo lang. Dito hold them. We have engaged 5 seconds. We have engaged out. Let them push through. Guys, ready, northeast. Come. Northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. Nice! Wipe this, please. Wipe this. Dice hit, boys. Dice hit. Come southwest. Hill front. Fucking hill front. Guys, mayroon pa isang wall, may isa pang butas sa southwest. Ibong nyo yung southwest. Nice. Okay, chill. May pwede bang magdala ng banner sa atin?
Arbak ako.
Open yung northeast gate dito, Kipo.
Ano ba gusto?
Eto. Southeast pala, southeast gate.
Hindi.
Pwede ko open yan.
Ay, sige lang.
Pa-cover
Ready,
ako.
Yeah. Please. Open. Okay, ready? Guys, walk to me. Guys. Ready, we're gonna go fucking wrist deep. Tell me if they engage. Come southwest muna. Uy!
Just engage. First step, just engage.
No, open na to eh.
Okay, wait. Nakatingin na sa atin.
Nasa north sila, Kip. Nasa north. Pwede mo ikwento sa north. Go north.
Come. Ready. Yeah. Ready. Hold. Ready, northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Next one. Come southwest. Kite. Kick pads. Ay, putang ina mo. Na-down ako. Someone call. Arana, call mo.
Go. Southwest, southwest, southwest. Hold southwest, hold southwest, hold southwest.
Magsusuicide ako, magsusuicide
Hold
ako.
southwest, hold southwest, hold southwest.
Keep, dito yung counter, keep. Keep,
Ay,
hindi nila kang
yeah,
counter.
it's fine.
NCD. You have CD, guys.
Yo, Coms!
Low. CD.
Nakita
Ready,
ko.
ready.
Wait. We'll just hold southwest. We're looking northeast.
Can we kill the...
Kill mo,
Focus
mage.
guards muna, focus guards
Kill
muna.
mage.
City.
Focus guards ka muna, focus guards ka muna.
Focus guard. Kill the guards first. Just kill the guards.
Looking.
Looking. Okay. Wait, just kill the guards. Focus killing the guards. Hold, just hold. They might looking, careful. Tipo, saan ka na?
Gago, wala akong silver. Wala akong, pahingi ako access sa ano.
Oh,
Just hold here. Hold here. Ditang sa front.
Kung kaya na 95 ko yung silver ko.
Withdraw ka na. Go, withdraw ka na.
Oh my god, Dark Caller have no silver. They
Hindi
might look,
mayaman.
careful. After they engage, we engage. We counter them.
Ano to? Erin. Sige. Gago, ang lala. Wala akong silver. Wait lang.
Who's southwest? There's southwest block.
CTC engage.
ETC yan.
Pwede ka mag-engage sa tower mismo.
Sa west, ano lang, mga Ross lang.
Dito.
Nakakita ko.
Pwede makill natin.
Pwede mo engage yan,
Northeast, ready. Northeast. 3, 2, 1. Northeast, come on me. Okay, hold.
Nice kill.
Looking. Defensive. Nice GA. Shaper. Careful.
Back muna.
Back. Southwest. Back.
Mamamatay kayo sa mage. Wait.
Pwede nyo i-release yung mage, guys. Hayaan nyo yung CTC.
CTC is engaging the mage.
Let CTD deal that. Ang gawin nyo lang, opportunity.
May cooldowns ka na.
Message ready.
Pwede ka mag-engage dito sa tower mismo. Kita mo yan?
We look in tower. Wait, hold. I'm
Okay,
waiting
naka-
for CTC to engage. So we don't get crossfire.
Gago, na-kidnap ako, pre.
Looking northwest Northwest in 3, 2, 1. This one. Shallow. Careful. They looking. Defensive. Shaper. Hold. Heal Alex. Ipo, saan ka na? Di ako pala mag-call. Hold southwest. CTC just engage.
Careful, Mija.
Top up. You have CD now, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Pwede ka mag-engage. I can hold.
Good job.
Looking northwest, Northwest. 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. This way. Okay, hold on. Southwest. Hold southwest.
Wait. I-reset nyo muna mage. Masakit.
Yeah. Reset the mage.
Hayaan nyo yung CTC magtangke ng mage. One zone away na lang ako. One zone away ako.
Pwede natin engage yan yung mage muna para ma-low yan.
Nag-engage CTC dun eh. Baka maka-crossfire tayo.
Sige, malapit na. Malapit na.
The mage is this.
Kung may D-tank na lang sa harap mo, yun lang.
Hold na lang tayo. Wait for keep.
Bato ko daw sa... Wait, sorry. Still use.
Sobrang mong na-enjoy keep eh.
At least mas masaya yung fight ngayon kaysa paggabi. Skill issue lang ulit, sorry. Ito na, dito na.
Ping. 5 minutes.
Yo, if you have loads, you can train mo si
Double.
If you have loads, train
They
mo
look
si Capo.
is... Okay. Just hold them depth up.
I-reset nyo yung main.
Pwede mo engage oh.
I'm here.
Dito na si baka maano pa tayo.
Ready? All good, guys.
Ready.
Can you fake now? Arana, can you fake now, please? Fake now. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Ready. This hold. You're good. Ready, northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast on me. Then go back. Go back. Go back.
Sa front.
Defensive and build front. Nice defensives. Get full HP, then get full HP. They're still looking, ha? Guys, spread southwest more. Get ready. Hold them now. Hold. Go back.
Ilok.
Go back. Let's fake. Guys, come southwest more. You unleash the mage. What the fuck is CTC doing?
Defacing in northeast.
Kip, ikaw mismo mag-engage ata ng mage. Oh.
Pero ayoko. Kaya pumatay na lang tayo.
Nag-engage sa SPC ha.
Yung first love, kailangan ko malaman kung nag-engage tayo.
Copy.
Ready? Northeast boys. Northeast deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every me. Nice. Defenses. Go back. Defenses go back. Just walk southwest. Just walk southwest. Guys, layo pa kayo. They're looking now. Spread. Don't give them clumps. Do not give them clumps. Bro, do not give them clumps. Only D-tanks up front. Only D-tanks and collar up front. Okay? Do not give them clumps.
Yo, reset the mage.
That's fine. Just hold here. I'm gonna do shallow, guys, ha? They will counter. Be ready? Yeah. Just chill. Can you fake? Hold. Can you heal Arana front? Ready? Northwest now. Hold. Give what's. Hold northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every me. Then go back. D-tanks up front. Nice D-tanks. Spread. Nice. Come southwest. 10 seconds, boys. 10 seconds. Just hold. 5 seconds. Ready? I'm just gonna shallow.
Yeah, ready.
Yeah. Shallow me, bro. Shallow this collar. 3, 2, 1. Every me. Kill guy. Please, nice.
Yeah, this is dead.
Okay, they're looking, but you go back. You just need to go back. Kill the guys on top of you. Heal front. Kill the guys on top of you. Stay southwest para hindi kayo madamage sa mid. Ganun, dapat lethal tayo sa mga D-tanks, okay? Guys, ready. 5 seconds, ha? 5 seconds. We go deep. Guys, walk deep. Stand them now. After the night armor. Ready. Northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every me. Then go back. Root pounds go back. Go back. Nice. Hold them now. D-tanks hold them. D-tanks fucking hold them. Sige na, papatay ko na yung mage.
Keep content lang ba to? Kasi di nila hit yung mage, boy.
Ano?
Yung mage di nila hit pares pa rin HP.
Content lang to. Wala na yung paki sa ano. Kaya nyo sila.
Okay, sage ready.
Just gonna chill. Guys, ready. Shallow me. 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Just shallow me. Then go back. Go back. They can't counter us. We're just gonna keep shallowing and heal me.
Engage. They missed.
Yeah, heal me. Ready. May cooldown sa kaya?
10 seconds.
Yeah, northwest now. Bro, northwest now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on mage. And go back. Leash mage. Defensive man. Oh my god, kasi nalala mo. Guys, kapag wala kayong kahit ano, chill lang kayo. Okay, they engage. Ready, northeast boys. Ready, northeast. Bro, walk down. Northeast. Deep. After this. Yeah, northeast now. Deep ones on engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just shallow. Deep pads, go back. Ang ina. Sakit. Heal.
Guys, natin bumabomba yung ano.
Binomba tayo ng CTC?
Binomba tayo.
Kill.
Bilang.
Try to revive people. That's fine. Shalom. That's fine. Shalom. Just hold.
Turn natin na.
Just hold. Shalom in 3, 2, 1. Shalom me. Go back. Can one healer change to revive? One lang, isa lang. Nami or some Nami. Sige, change that to revive. Come southwest more. Medyo risky tayo. Don't let Hero Dude or Gate get ano. Guys, focus guards. May DPS focus guards. Guards. Then come southwest more. Can you guys bring that southwest? Bring this southwest. Bring the guard southwest. Okay. Ang hina pala ng alay natin.
Mas tayo pa yung binobomba.
Sige lang. Content lang naman to, content lang. Di ka ba all pa? Guys, every time you engage, USD mo na.
Hindi sila sa ano?
Yeah. Shallow me. 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Oh my god, ano yun? Ba't di siya nahila? Go back. Come sa atas. Masakit na.
The fuck?
Ano yun?
Lumalabas na yung reward. Lumalabas yung reward.
Okay, come sa atas. That's fine. Come sa west. Labas mo na kayo. Lumabas yung reward. Hindi.
Matras sila.
Okay, come sa atas. Guys, southwest. Labas mo na. Hindi natin kaya yung mage. Ang sakit.
No food na.
Yo, drop loot tabs guys. Ang daming nag-loot ha.
Guys, mount up.
Tapos na kayo pa?
Teka lang. Yeah, alay doon.
Yung first lap papuntang southeast ha.
Come southwest. We can fight them open world. Probably. I don't know. No. They wanna fight one more. Oh my god, they're regearing. 3 times na sila na-wipe.
Na-wipe sila nung sa last engagement na malabas sila.
Come southeast.
The
Guys, can you guys come south to me? Ito, patayin nyo nga itong mga bombardilo. Ito yung mga bombardino. Kanina pa to ng gagang ko.
Diyan si ano to, Daddy. Diyan, wag yan pa.
Diyan.
Can you guys kill this guys? Southeast. Sa akin, southeast.
Ito yung one shot.
Kung naka-blink sana ako doon, patay yun. Wala, mali yun. Sorry. Good hits naman. Ano ba nangyayari? Naglalaban pa ba sila? Can you guys scout? Can you guys mount up with me? Come Northeast.
First love na dyan, East one screen.
Basta dito ah.
Ay, come southwest. Gago, first love pala yan. Ano nyo? Come southwest. Keep pads.
Engaging na.
Keep pads. Sige. Run lang. Kite lang. Kite. 17 sila. Kite.
Any healer here? Help me.
Kite. Kill. Asan daw? Nice. Kite. Just kite. Mount up. Allies. We'll wait for allies. Mount up.
Mamamatay pa ako.
15 seconds mount up ko kayo.
Sige. Asan ka? Sige. Chill. Hold lang kayo dito. Strike niya ano. Ang dami nating deaths. Sorry. Para akong amateur caller.
Huwag kang
No. Chill. Ang dami ko lang mali. That's fine. Where is CTC going? Can you guys chase CTC? Come southeast. Winnable naman to.
Winnable, kaso di nyo pinapatay mid, hirap talaga.
Hindi. Ang usapan kasi, sila dapat yung sa mage kasi tayo yung ini-engage dyan. Mas prayo tayo. Kaso, ang nangyari, tayo yung nasa mage. Mas masakit tayo actually kaysa sa reward. Wala silang damage.
Tapos binamba pa tayo.
Ang lala.
Pero gets nyo naman yung comp. I mean, are we doing okay, guys?
Yep.
Pasensya na talaga. We're still trying out new things.
Oo.
We're still trying.
First time na content na ang tagal eh.
Nakaka-enjoy ganitong content, no?
Oo. Bihira lang. Magkaganito.
Good job pala sa guys, sa laughing. Always listen to calls, guys. Kasi laughing is kite. So what you need to do against Kitecom, you guys need to get away from them. Let them walk to you. Kasi kapag sinundan nyo...
Dito na CTC ha, pumasok na sa Southwest Territory.
Come southeast. Regroup. Try to regear last. Regearable naman to, guys. Basta nag-enjoy tayo sa connect. Come southeast.
Southwest is CTC ha.
Yeah. Palit tayo. This one.
Still no loot. Ito ba side zerg? I mean side.
17 sila keep ha?
Ilan yung CTC? Nag-dismount na ba yung CTC?
Ready
west, boys! Ready west! West! Catch you tong mga to. All up me. 3, 2, 1. Every me. Kill that. Nice. Nice. Come na. Gago, pengi nga ako ng banner. Ay, pengi ako ng Siphon. 36 na lang Siphon sa guild. Meron ba kayo? May tago?
Looking na.
Wala. Okay, yes. South, stay south. We play this shit.
Keep. Dito ka sa west, sa east mag-play keep. Hammer natin tong wall dito.
Kaso kasi may mage pa dito, ipatay muna natin yung mage. Shallow guys, can you guys shallow? Ready? Just hold. Go back. Guys, pag nagsasabi pa lang already, huwag kayo mag-walk in. Kasi na-free clamp kayo eh. Spread mo na kayo. Ayun o, dikit-dikit tayo dito, isang clamp, patay tayo lahat. Just hold.
Dapat 10 yung bounce spot.
Yeah.
Looking sa
Fine. Yeah. Shallow on me, hold. After the Hylian root. Spread pa kayo.
Keep
Angle
dito.
One, shallow me. We're just gonna keep hitting the box. Then go back. Don't let them engage you. Do not let them engage you. Okay? Hill front.
Nag-clerical yung color nila.
Yeah. Ready? Hold. Just hold. Ready? That's fake. I'm gonna fake. Okay. What? Ba't ka nag-root bomb? Ready?
Talaga natin to. Hello?
Yeah, that's fine. Northwest now, bro. Northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, gago.
Ba't? Give back.
Okay. Ay, sige. Defensive. Ikeson, namumuro ka na. Come Satis. Sige, play tayo Satis. Come Satis.
Malapit yung yung tulak nyo.
Come Satis, guys. Can you guys hit this? Everything on this. 3, 2, 1. Everything on that. Ditang sa front. Kill. Spread pa kayo. Focus on the guards. Kill the guards, guys. We need this position. And some people won't. Okay? Just chill. Let's chill, boys. Focus on that. As soon as that mage is dead, we're good. Okay, can you guys pull the guards here?
First step, just engage.
Okay. Sige lang. Just play around here and bomb. Play around here, bomb. Basta mamatay lahat ng guards dyan, guys.
Be pacing.
Everything on the guards in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the guards.
Yung color pacing sa atin.
Sige lang. Night armors and sa stop front. Just focus on guards. Focus on that.
Salamat, may clerical, may mana na.
May chariot?
Hindi, sa mage.
Okay. Kill all the guards, guys. Kill all the guards, please.
CTC just
Kill all the guards. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna play. Patay na ba? Okay, patay yung guards. Guys, kill all the guards, please. Ready. Okay. Wipe the guards, please. Then we play southeast. Play southeast of me. Tell me when CTC will first love engages.
Okay.
We're gonna go deep north, okay? Chill.
CTC just engage.
Yeah. Just wait for them to engage.
First step, looking at
Defensives. Ready, northwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north on me!
Nice.
Oh my god. What the fuck was that? Kill them. Go back, defensive. May engage pen. Uy, gago, ma-wipe sila. Come southeast. Huwag kayo masyado mag-loot, uy! Ang dami nyo naglo-loot. Tangina nyo. Looter lang, uy! May combat looter tayo.
Nasa deep tower sila, north.
Yeah.
Message ready.
Biging pass kayo? Ready?
Yeah, we had.
North deep. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every minute. Go back. Give backs, boys. Give backs. Sige lang. Hill front.
Sa loob natin.
Hill front. Just chill. Ready, north. Cooldowns, bro. Cooldowns.
Hindi patay yung kalaban.
Come southeast. Sige lang. May big pass kayo.
Message ready.
Okay guys, southeast muna kayo. Mag-fake ako.
Yung color looking sa atin.
Sige lang. Go back. Defensive. Ready. North. Walk in north, boys. Hold them north. Deep. North now, bro. North now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the shield. Then go back. Go back. Guys, gig pats. Wala na akong defensive. Heal me. Go back. Spread. Nice get heals. Ready, boys. Northwest. After this. Northwest now. Bro, Northwest. Northwest deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Northwest on me. Northwest on me. Kill them. Kill them. Kill them, please. Kill them, please. Kill them, please. Oh my god. Come Satis. Anong ginagawa ng alay natin? Putang ena.
Tumigit sa atin, sa southwest.
Oo, tumigit na sa...
Engage ko to. Ba't dumidikit ang ganda na ng position nila dun?
Yeah, looking yan. Ilan lang ba itong mage? Konti na lang itong mage, oh.
Ayaw na lang patayin yung mage.
Nag-engage yung CTC.
Just wait. They're playing counter. Stay southeast. Tell me when you guys have pots. Tell me when you guys have pots.
Engage ako sa nila, ba?
Sige.
Go.
1. Bigulit.
Ready? Yeah. Sige lang. Ready lang kayo. Wait nyo mag-engage yung first lock. Right, northwest, bro. Northwest now. Jeep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on me. Ay, gago, GNA. Sino yung GA?
Hindi, kalaban yun.
Nice. Ay, gago. Heal.
Atay, sige po. Southeast. Kami southeast. Hold southeast.
Na-GA yun?
Hindi, napatay.
Malaki? Big ba?
Malaki.
Manalo na ba kayo? Winning na kayo? Magre-legit pa ba ako?
Recruit ka. Hindi ko kaya ito.
4 minutes, 3 minutes na lang eh.
Southeast.
Sige. Kaya mo na yan.
Ready.
Kaya mo yan.
Push. Northwest ready. 3.
Boy!
Oh, good po.
1. On the hold. Ah, shit. Go.
Ingat tayo kung alay, baka tayo tirahin nga.
Run them over. Ayun yung masarap pakinggan.
Uy, patulong dito, boy.
Southwest. Push them southwest.
Click out na kayo,
Uy, labas kayo!
Click out the gate.
CTC yan.
Ano bang ginagawa niyo sa loob?
Ayan yung CTC dyan, gago.
Bago sobrang daming loot, puno na ako.
Ay, mag-loot kayo, putang ina nyo.
Tayo lahat, puno na yung loot rin.
Hindi ako murahin. Nagtulot na ako.
Ito,
Gago. I think, sobrang lambot ko, guys. Sobrang lambot ko, Maivan. Loot.
Gago ka, hindi ako makagalaw. Hindi ko pinag-load.
Gumalaw ka, Z. Gumalaw ka.
CC trade mo. Ay, bro.
Tara.
Oy, magbang kayo ng loot. Oy, mag-loot kayo, then regroup.
Z, gumalaw ka, Z.
Wala na. Nakuha na nila yung terrain.
Pa-trade, Sir Jack.
Tara. Go. Drop your loot.
Go northwest. Everybody, hold northwest.
May ping, no?
Tangin na, thank you for the good content.
Erin, mount up. Di na makagalaw si Erin.
Ping, Erin.
Dito sa akin, sa may ping ko.
Help Erin.
Ay, patulong.
Coming.
Ang inang dab.
Putang ina, hindi ko rin mabibitbit yan. Puro mounts.
Erin, straight.
Itapon nyo na yung mounts, mura lang yan.
Ayaw pa. Ang ina kaya pala.
Hindi nyo gago.
Yun yung si Erin.
Lakad matatag.
Lakad.
Na Erin yung iba. Trig mo. PC pala.
Ano lang talaga, guys, I think issue lang natin yung nalikuran, tas namatay sila dyan sa taas. Wala tayong tanks. Medyo pa rin talaga tayo. Medyo, I guess, kulang tayo ng D-tanks. Probably, we need 5 more D-tanks.
Kita yusin yung PTB for them.
Ang hirap din ng mana, par.
Sa ping,
walang chariot.
Uy, may one shot dito. Careful. Bago naman.
Saan yung one shot?
Kailangan niya ba ako mag-reject?
Ay, may
May ping.
Oy, someone getting one shot?
Oo, nabubuhay pa si Nami.
Namin na naman.
Ilyan. Next time palit tayo. Ikaw mag-one-hand ako. Ang lambot ko, pre.
Sige.
Ang lambot, sobra.
Namji, wag na chase.
Don't chase. Mount.
Oy, ayos to mo pa namin. Ano nangyayari dyan? Huwag kayo mag-away, guys. Magmahalan kayo. Ngayon lang, papunta na ako.
Tara.
Go northwest. Ayoko mag-call eh.
Ayoko mag-call, nahiya ka pa, namamatay ako. Nagre-risk kasi ako ng sobra eh. Sorry.
Isang sinami pala to.
Boy, kina-Chinese na ako nung CTC. Ano to?
Reply mo ng Tagalog.
Ni hao friendship.
Ay, ng CTC ng ng First Love.
Oh, wait, nag-block. I got this.
Translate mo na lang.
Natamat na.
Go southwest.
Yo, kung ditang kayong di kayo maka...
Ay, hindi. Gago. Alam ko na, Lex, bakit ang labot ko.
Bakit?
Normal omelet yung gamit ko, gago.
Dalawang beses ka na namatay.
Uy, huwag kayong mag-away namin, chill lang. Huwag kayong mag-away, pakabait kayo. Saan kayo? Tudats ako doon, ang bobo ko.
Ang bobo mo dun, Kip. Tangina. Gago.
Ang lambot ko talaga, pre. Hindi ko
Nagulat ako,
ina-expect.
nag-dip ka pa eh.
Ganun ako kalambot.
Ang daming wala sa PTB. Bomb squad lang yung nasa PTB kanina.
Anyone has bod? Kasi bobo ko, hindi ko na pindot yung record. Asan na kayo, guys?
Nasa bluffs na kami.
Can you guys regroup with me? Guys, hold. Andito
Nasa
ako.
group. Ay,
Nasa group ako. Andito ako sa middle one. Guys, can you guys regroup with me? Let's see. Dapat marami tayong loots, guys.
nasa akin yung ibang notes.
Kasabay ko rin.
Pero ito, guys. Kung gusto niyo ng magandang content, alam niyo kulang natin doon, guys. Isang chariot, isang bastion or behemoth. Tingin niyo makaka-engage sa atin yun? Hindi. Behemoth lang every time mag-engage. Okay, kahit nga bastion lang eh.
Si Tess, ba't di nag-behemoth?
Kulang lang talaga tayo ng battle mounts, guys.
Wala, naka-ano kasi akong ano. Naka-SH ako. Next time. Chariot ako. Hirap ng mana para sa SH.
Yeah, it's fine. Shit happens.
Saan tayo
Sa
nilagay?
SH,
Loot tab
pwede
ba?
ka pwede ka magputang ina mo.
Mounted pa.
Wala nakakita. Pwede kayang mag-ano sa SH, yung reflect.
Latter, huy!
Okay. Pwede.
Hindi ka naka-W na reflect.
Oo. Nasaan, dun
May
kasi
bot okay po. Ang sarap na
Lakad ka rin po.
Sige. I-panoorin natin saglit. Okay.